A yarning circle can be open-ended or can have a set time frame on an understanding that it may be helpful to have a further yarning circle involving the same participants at a later date. For some environments, providing a time frame can be beneficial to including the required participants who have other commitments and may feel uncomfortable at having to leave a circle midway through if the session is open-ended. For other yarning circles, which have been formed to identify solutions to an issue or to share culture and knowledge for the benefit of future generations, a more informal approach to time may be suitable. Again, considering catering and facilities if a yarning circle is likely to take some time. However, as a facilitator, it is essential to be alert to repetition in the discussion which may indicate that the topic has been exhausted and the wrapping up of the circle is required. As part of the closing, you should thank all participants for being part of the yarning circle and for their valuable contributions. Ask each participant what they gained from the yarning circle experience. Recap key agreements achieved during the yarning circle and their value. Recap any agreed actions required as a result of the yarning circle and outline how the information about the completion of those actions will be shared with the participants. As appropriate, set a new date for a further yarning circle. As appropriate, share a blessing, a poem, or a prayer, meditation, or ask a participant to do so to finish the yarning circle.